Our first video for Chapter 35 in Ecce Romani covers the building the meaning on the page 72, and we're going to talk about comparisons. So we're going to build on what we did in Chapter 34. Here's a sentence: Sextus is more annoying than Marcus. If we wanted to take it and put it into Latin, we would get the following: Sextus est molestior quam Marcus. Molestior there, comparative adjective, and quam in bold means than, if we look that up in the dictionary. This is a comparison. Sextus is being compared to Marcus, obviously, and in terms of which one of those two kids is more annoying. When we do comparisons, if we use this word quam to compare two people, two nouns, two things, whatever it may be, the person being compared is in the same case as the original. So here, since Sextus is nominative, Marcus is also nominative because we use that adverb quam. But I can translate this same sentence using a slightly different form of Latin. I could say Sextus est molestior Marco. Here, obviously, we've gotten rid of that word quam, and Marcus is not in the nominative case anymore. Here it's in the ablative case. We're going to call this an ablative of comparison. So without quam, the person being compared to the original goes in the ablative case. We call that an ablative of comparison. Both of these sentences mean exactly the same thing. Sextus is more annoying than Marcus. We are comparing Marcus's annoyingness to Sextus's annoyingness. Two ways of doing that, two ways of showing comparison in Latin grammar. One more wrinkle that we can add to this is with intensifying adjectives. So if we had a sentence, Sextus est multo molestior quam Marcus, or Sextus est multo molestior Marco, both of those would come out as Sextus is much more annoying than Marcus. So we're still comparing the two, but we're saying that Sextus is not just more annoying, he's much more annoying. We call this multo an ablative of degree of difference. It's ablative from the adjective multus and it's almost like degree of difficulty in a sense that we are ratcheting up how much more annoying Sextus is than Marcus. So we call that a degree of difference. Multo, we're going to see that a lot. Multo means much, so somebody might be much more something than the other person. Paulo is also another adjective that we're going to see a lot. A little. So somebody might be a little more of something than somebody else. So these two, multo and paulo, are two very, very common adjectives where we will see an ablative of degree of difference accompanying a comparison. That's it for this video. Nice and short. We'll see you next time.